My 3 top tips to get parents or children excited about science, technology, engineering and maths would be 1, to make it hands-on. Let kids explore with things. Don't worry about the mess. If it's baking soda vinegar, give them a plastic tray. You can deal with that later. Number 2, keep it real. Those trips that you do, just little things like going to the aquarium, even a walk in a park, talking about the native birds and the native plants and whatnot around you, they make it real for children. And number 3, don't underestimate what children know. Talk to them at a high level, explain it to them, they'll remember that and they bring it back to the classroom all the time. Kids are amazing, they're like sponges, they absorb everything you say, even if it's a car trip that you're driving. Tell them how that mountain was formed, they love it. There's loads and loads of home experiments. One of my children's favourite is making a rocket with a bike pump and water and pumping it up, and that can go really high. And with all these experiments, I think it's really neat to encourage kids to experiment, so to actually try what happens with cold water versus hot water, what happens with 500 mils of water versus a litre water rocket, baking soda bombs, just baking soda vinegar, what happens if you add more baking soda to the bomb, does it happen quicker, what happens if you use a bucket bag. There's loads of activities you can do, even something simple like making jelly and understanding that jelly is dissolving and then it sets when it cools down. Things like that are simple science that children love. Just let them get involved, let them be hands-on, let them do it, stand back and learn from them.